The future of American air power is here, the F-47, centerpiece of the next-generation air dominance program. More than a jet, the F-47 leads a system of systems, flying with drones, advanced sensors, and powerful networks. Set to replace the F-22 Raptor, it leapfrogs today's fighters with unmatched stealth and adaptability. Its open architecture design means rapid upgrades and integration of new tech. The F-47 is built for the unknowns of 2040 and beyond, changing the skies forever. Stealth is the F-47's defining feature, but it's stealth reimagined for a new era. The F-47 uses advanced materials that absorb radar energy, making it nearly invisible to even the most sophisticated enemy sensors. Its tailless sculpted shape minimizes radar reflections from every angle, not just the front. This all-aspect stealth gives pilots freedom to maneuver and survive in high-threat environments. Thermal management is just as critical. Engines are buried deep, and exhaust is cooled and dispersed to mask the jet's heat signature. The F-47 is designed to be a ghost, evading both radar and infrared detection. But stealth isn't just physical, it's electronic. The F-47 uses low probability of intercept radars and encrypted communications, hiding its signals in background noise. Every emission is managed to avoid detection by enemy listening systems. The result, an aircraft that can gather intelligence, strike, and disappear without a trace. This new generation of stealth is about total survivability against radar, heat-seeking missiles, and electronic surveillance. The F-47's stealth is a shield, allowing it to operate where others can't. It's not just about avoiding detection, it's about controlling the battle space. The F-47 is the ultimate ghost in the machine. In the age of advanced sensors, true invisibility is the ultimate advantage. Step inside the F-47, and you enter a cockpit built for the digital age. Gone are the old dials and gauges, replaced by a panoramic touchscreen that puts every piece of information at the pilot's fingertips. The pilot can customize the display, bringing up maps, sensor feeds, or weapons data with a touch or voice command. The goal: reduce workload, so the pilot can focus on the mission, not the machinery. The F-47's open architecture avionics mean new capabilities can be added with software updates, just like a smartphone. If a new threat emerges, the entire fleet can be upgraded in days, not years. Artificial intelligence acts as a digital co-pilot, sifting through sensor data, prioritizing threats, and even managing electronic warfare automatically. The pilot becomes a mission commander, making strategic decisions while the AI handles the details. The helmet is a marvel. An augmented reality display projects critical data directly onto the visor. Pilots can see through the floor, identify targets just by looking at them, and get instant threat assessments. This seamless link between pilot, aircraft, and battlespace delivers unmatched situational awareness. The 487 SATC SC-7 state, obrusatsi, and Dianzri, des during Zotsuskeni size and say try, thine side for an spider, where information dominance wins the fight. It's not just about flying, it's about commanding the digital battlespace. The F-47 turns the pilot into a true master of the skies. This is the new face of air combat. The F-47 is more than a stealth jet, it's a flying sensor powerhouse. Its skin is embedded with antennas and sensors, collecting data across the electromagnetic spectrum. The real breakthrough is sensor fusion. All this information is combined into a single, clear picture for the pilot. Instead of raw radar blips, the pilot sees a 3D map with friendlies, enemies, and threats labeled and prioritized. This clarity means faster, smarter decisions. Crucial when seconds count. The F-47 is the quarterback of a networked team, commanding swarms of unmanned drones. These loyal wingmen scout ahead, jam enemy systems, or carry extra weapons, all under the pilot's control. The F-47 can stay hidden, letting drones do the dangerous work. It shares sensor data with other aircraft, ships, and ground forces in real time, creating a web of awareness and firepower. The F-47 finds and fixes targets, then passes that information to the rest of the force. This networked approach changes air combat forever. The F-47 is the crucial node in a vast invisible web. In tomorrow's wars, information is the ultimate weapon. The F-47's performance starts with its materials. Advanced composites like carbon fiber make it strong, light, and stealthy. These materials allow for complex shapes and reduce weight, boosting range, agility, and payload. Manufacturing is cutting edge, using 3D printing to create parts that are lighter, stronger, and more affordable. The F-47 is likely larger than the F-22, with more internal space for fuel and weapons, crucial for long-range Pacific missions. All weapons and fuel are carried internally to preserve stealth, including future hypersonic missiles. Thermal management is a major challenge. Heat from engines and electronics must be hidden from enemy sensors. Innovative solutions use fuel as a heat sink and the skin to radiate excess heat. Every design choice is about survivability and performance. The F-47's revolutionary design is built for the toughest missions on Earth. It's not just a fighter, it's a technological leap. The F-47 is engineered for the future fight. Advanced materials and smart design make it possible. This is the new standard for air dominance. At the heart of the F-47 are adaptive cycle engines, a revolution in jet propulsion. These engines shift between fuel-efficient cruise and high-thrust combat modes, maximizing range and power. A third stream of air can be redirected for efficiency or thrust, giving the F-47 both long legs and blistering speed. The result: the F-47 can fly farther, stay in the fight longer, and supercruise, sustain supersonic flight without afterburners. This means rapid response, quick escapes, and less vulnerability to enemy sensors. The engines also generate massive electrical power for sensors and electronic warfare, while managing heat to preserve stealth. Adaptive engines are the key to operating over vast distances and surviving in contested airspace. The F-47's power plant is as advanced as its airframe. It's not just about speed, it's about endurance, flexibility, and survivability. The F-47's engines are the silent force behind its dominance. This is propulsion for the next era of air combat. Exporting the F-47 is a strategic dilemma for the U.S. Sharing advanced fighters with allies strengthens partnerships and spreads defense costs, as seen with the F-35. Offering the F-47 to close allies like the UK, Australia, or Japan could cement alliances and deter adversaries. But the F-47's cutting-edge tech is highly sensitive. There's always a risk of compromise. Any export version would likely be modified, with the most secret systems removed. Selling the F-47 would reshape the global arms market, giving buyers a major edge and potentially sparking regional arms races. The U.S. must balance alliance building with safeguarding its technological lead. International sales could lower costs for the U.S. Air Force, making the program more affordable. The F-35 program proved that partnership drives down price for everyone. The F-47's export policy will shape alliances and air power for decades. It's not just a jet, it's a tool of global strategy. The F-47's arrival will shake up global security. China and Russia are racing to catch up, but the F-47 is designed to stay a generation ahead. Its capabilities will force adversaries to rethink their strategies and accelerate their own programs. The F-47 restores the credibility of air power, making even the most advanced air defenses vulnerable. Its presence deters aggression. Knowing the F-47 can strike anywhere makes adversaries think twice. The NGAD's system of systems approach means future air wars will be fought by networked teams, not lone jets. Swarms of drones, AI, and real-time data will define the battle space. The F-47 is built to break through anti-access area denial strategies, unlocking contested airspace. It's the key to projecting power and maintaining stability in a dangerous world. The F-47 is more than a weapon, it's a strategic game-changer. The F-47 NGAD isn't just a fighter, it's a symbol of a new era in air combat. Its true power lies in information dominance, transforming the fighter into the nerve center of a digital battle space. The F-47 pilot becomes a battle space manager, commanding unmanned systems and orchestrating strikes with AI support. This man-machine teaming is the future of air warfare. The F-47 ensures U.S. air superiority, deterring conflict by making aggression too costly. Its greatest legacy may be the wars it prevents, simply by being ready. The F-47 is the culmination of decades of innovation in stealth, propulsion, and digital systems. When it emerges from the shadows, it will redefine air combat for the 21st century. The skies, and the rules of war, will never be the same. The F-47 NGAD is the future, and the world is watching.